We made ice cream.
We're gonna make ice cream, but we made brownies, didn't we?
Dad.
So if you'd like to see how we made these, then please stick around. Caleb peeling the sweet potatoes for the brownies here, so we're gonna steam these shortly. So we measured it out, and there should be 2 cups worth here. Are you enjoying it, Caleb?
Yeah.
All our ingredients here now. Caleb has peeled these sweet potatoes. We boiled them. Well, we chopped them up first and boiled them. We've got the vanilla here. We're going to put 1 teaspoon in. Teaspoon of baking powder. Then we've got 1/4 of a cup of oat milk. Could use any vegan milk. Are you alright, Micah? And what's this? What have we got here, Micah?
Toto.
Yeah, we've got a cocoa, 1/4 of a cup. And then here, what have we got there, Micah? What's that on the end, on the spoon?
Tuna butter.
Yeah, so we've got cashew butter. And then what's in here, do you remember?
Honey.
Well, that's not honey, that's maple syrup, what we've got in there.
Maple syrup.
So that's 1/4, not 1/4 of a cup. We've got 3/4 of a cup of maple syrup. I'm gonna put like grams and milliliters down below if you want to, convert the measurements. And then I've got flour here, which is, I've got this teff flour, so it's gluten free, packed with vitamins and minerals and high in protein. But you can use any flour. If you're not gluten free, you don't need to use this. The guy for the recipe, I'm going to put the recipe down below, and this guy's page here, who I've been watching, and he has used oat flour. So yeah, so we've got that.
Yeah.
Caleb is just mashing up the sweet potatoes now. And then yeah, so these are all the ingredients. And then we've got this. I'm not sure what size this is. This guy here, he uses like a bigger thing. You're doing a great job, Micah. You're having a go as well.
What's that? Tuna butter.
So what we're gonna have to do is get all of the ingredients in here. So if we take,
I wanna do.
You don't want to do any more?
No.
Okay, then we'll Caleb can do it. So if we go like that. And then if you put all of the ingredients in, then we're going to mix it all up.
No, like just do everything in order, or just like do.
No.
Just put put all of it in, I would say.
No. Can I do one? Mom, Nate's on my job.
In a minute, Neva. So just put the.
No.
Everybody wants to get involved now. All 3 kids.
No. Hey, that's not fair.
So the cocoa butter, not the cocoa butter, the cocoa powder, the cashew butter. You could use peanut butter if you've not got cashew.
Let me.
I had that tuna butter.
Oh, this is hard.
Okay, how about you?
It'd be really good if we had the food processor working.
I had that tuna butter.
Do you want to use that? You've put the baking powder in as well, haven't you?
I had that tuna butter. It's yummy tuna butter, Mum.
Put the flour in. Battery just went, but we've just mixed it all up, and now we are going to put it in here. It's going to be a bit hard for me to do by hand. Caleb's left us now, so yeah, I'm going to put it all in, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I've done it. I'd like for this container to have been a bit bigger so that they wouldn't be as thick, because it might take a bit longer to cook. But they were nice last time, nice and thick, weren't they? So we're going to put them in the oven on 150 for 30 minutes. See how they are, and see if they need any longer. If these were as thin as the video, I'm going to try and put a screenshot here so you can.
Hi!
Then they probably won't be gooey a bit inside, but I want them to still be a little bit gooey.
Take it.
So I'm going to leave it for about 10 minutes to cool down a little bit, and then I'll chop into them, and then you can see what they look like. We can't eat it just yet, we've just got to let it cool down.
No, I'll take it.
Yeah, when it's cooled down and Mummy's chopped it, can you see how thick this is?
No, that's not thick. That's yummy.
Yeah, but it's really thick, isn't it? Right, we're gonna let it cool down. Let's have a look at it. So yeah, it looks fine. Ow. Yeah, so we're just gonna leave it.
Eat it.
So you can see how thick it is, and then we'll chop it, present it. Yeah, you can see what it looks like, and then we will dish it up. I think we're gonna have oat cream with it. There's not gonna be any left.
Sorry. I'm gonna take it.
I know you want to taste it, but we're gonna let it cool down now, okay? So, like I said, I mean, you could make these slices smaller. Last time we had 6, didn't we? But I mean, they are, like I said, really chunky. So
There you are.
don't know.
They are, I think. I think cheddar.
These are nice and gooey, these guys, I think.
Yummy. I love you.
So this is going to be 6 big ones, it looks like.
And that one there. I want them, Mum. Looks like it's not even chopped. I want them, Mum.
Yeah, but we've got to wait for the kind of ice cream to make, haven't we?
I like that one.
Yeah.
I'll take that.
Cheeky. Does it taste nice? So can you see this is what it looks like? I'll show a better angle later. But I just wanted to show you how easy it is to cut them.
Oh,
so we've got
them.
big 6 big ones, haven't we?
I like the big one.
Wow, look at these. They're so gooey, fudgy, delicious. What do you think, Micah? So we are gonna dish these up soon. So these are really, really thick, like I said. We could have done with mashing the sweet potatoes a bit more, but they're lovely.
We made ice cream.
We're gonna make ice cream, but we made brownies, didn't we? Definitely incorporated the chocolate a lot better last time. Not the chocolate. We incorporated the sweet potato a lot better last time. But still so nice, isn't it? Hey, Micah, do you want to taste some and tell me what you think? Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mum made it.
Do you like it? Do you like baking?
Yeah.
Do you think Daddy will like them?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you going to bake with Mummy again?
Yeah.
Took a bit longer than anticipated and then I ended up leaving it too long, but it tastes really nice. Obviously it's not like dairy ice cream or if you make it proper, like by churning, but it's got a really, really nice flavour to it. So. We really hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, we would love it if you would subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye.